Who cares, brother? Who cares, brother? Who cares? Today, smash.
Bro, oh. Nice. Wagwan people, Vibes Prince here. I'm in Chiang Mai on the way to the Stickywaterfall. So just pulled up to put in some gasoline or petrol if you might call it. So yeah, but it is hot, man. It is hot. It's very sticky. Sometimes it's raining and so on, but who cares, bro? This is why we're here, bro. Here for the weather, bro. Here for the weather. Whether you like it or not, today, smash. Let me go in KFC. Let's see what I've got. Hopefully it's cold in here. See what I've got.
Like,
Yeah.
like cow.
Cow. Oh, boo. Yeah.
Cow.
Should I move here? Yeah, Wagwan people. We've arrived now at waterfall. Arrived at waterfall. It is nice. It is nice. Cool. It's quite cool as well. I was feeling hot. But now I feel really cool. Nice and cool. What's this? I don't know what that is. But it looks like it's fish. Or if you wanna feed them. If you wanna feed them, you buy. Should I move here? Oh, it's really sticky and like slippery, bro. Now, when I climb up there, see there? Come on, bro, come on, Jesus! Don't fall on me, bro.
Oh, it actually is sticky. It's not wet.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's not sticky.
No. Well, it is, but it's not wet. Like, you don't sweat.
Ah.
No, you get it, yeah.
You wanna?
Just chuck it.
Bro. Oh. I got it, bro. What's in my bag I can get wet?
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. Oh, your bag. Good? Is it waterproof, this one?
No, not.
Oh,
But
yeah.
the water won't go in.
Oh, yeah.
Jesus!
Yeah. Alright.
My your turn.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Light work, baby.
Light work.
Right, now we chop and go with the other hand, bro. Try and go with one hand again. Yep. There is so. I can go without a rope. Big man. So they've got like ropes to help you climb up, and it's quite sticky at some places, so you wanna hold on to it so you don't lose your teeth. So the darker one is really like sticky, so I'm gonna have to use a rope here This is a jungle, bro. Yo, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, he took us to the Stickywaterfall.
Yep.
Nice, nice man, nice uncle.
Yeah.
You.
Lucky. Good man.
Yeah.
Good guy.
Gotta get some food, mate. Some food. 1,000 baht.
A few moments later.
Wagwan people, Vibes Queens. Simple fit. Keep it simple, keep it clean. We're going to Muay Thai gym. See how it goes. I'm tired, hangover, but see what these guys have to offer, man. See what they have to offer, bro. See if we can deal with it. And obviously, like, I'm excited because this is my first one, like, in Thailand. Hey guys, I'm on motorbike now, on my way to a Muay Thai gym. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah, I didn't connect mic yet. I'm very sorry. Okay.
A few moments later.